Good morning, grade 9. This is lesson number 5 and chapter 4, structure of molecules. The topic is formation of calcium chloride. The last lecture was about ionic bond in sodium chloride, and this is now calcium chloride. It's given on page number 96 and 97. Formation of calcium chloride. Calcium and chlorine combine to give calcium chloride. Calcium has 2 electrons in its outermost shell. This is unlike sodium because in sodium 1 electron is there in its outer shell. Calcium has 2 electrons in its outermost shell. It has the tendency to lose 2 electrons to attain the inert gas electronic configuration of neon. Means it wants to complete its outer shell with 8 electron. So the calcium ion is formed by losing 2 electrons. Chlorine needs 1 electron to complete its outermost shell. It has tendency to gain 1 electron to attain inert gas electronic configuration of argon. As atomic number of chlorine is 17 and argon is 18, it means argon is complete. So chlorine want to become stable like argon. So by gaining 1 electron, it will become like argon. So it form chloride ion. 1 calcium and 2 chloride ions, which result in the formation of calcium chloride. Clear? So in case of sodium chloride, 1 sodium was enough for chlorine, but here for 1 calcium 2 chloride ions are needed. Why? Because calcium can give 2 electrons. So for gaining that 2 electrons, there should be 2 chloride ions, because a single chloride ion can gain only 1 electron at a time. Transfer of electrons to form ions. Calcium chloride molecule is an ionic compound formed by an ionic bond between calcium ion and 2 chloride ions. So how this all happen? Let me explain it now. This is calcium atom with outer 2 electrons. So it want to complete its outer shell. So by losing these 2 electrons, the inner shell will become the outer one, which is complete. Because it cannot gain 6 electrons, but it can lose 2 electrons very easily. So by losing these 2 electrons, the inner will become the outer shell, and that is complete. So it becomes stable and complete. Now it will attain a 2 plus charge. Why? Because it lost 2 electrons. So neutral calcium atom is converted into calcium ion. Now come towards chlorine atom. This is chlorine atom and this is also chlorine atom. Both with outer 7 electrons. They want to complete it with 8 electrons. So by gaining 1 electron from calcium, chloride ions will form. Chlorine atoms will convert into chloride ions. So both chloride ions will attain a negative charge. Now this Ca2 plus and this Cl minus and again Cl minus. So for 1 calcium ion, 2 chlorides must be there. 2 chloride ions. Okay. So this positively charged calcium will attract negatively charged chloride ions, and a strong ionic bond will form between them, forming calcium chloride CaCl2. Is this clear up to this point? Now come towards your homework. I gave you a single question, and by doing this question you will become more clear about this concept. Draw a diagram to show the ionic bonds in magnesium oxide and magnesium chloride. You have to first check their atomic numbers, and you should know the electronic configuration in order to check the outer electrons. Then you have to show the bonding between them by forming ions first, and then so on. Clear? Thank you.